Hello everyone. So now we'll see about the EMF equation of a alternator. So just we'll see about the notations that Z is nothing but the number of stator conductor per phase, P is number of poles, F is frequency of the induced EMF in Hertz, phi is flux per pole in Weber. Okay. So here the flux cut by the conductor in one revolution is given by P of phi. That can be written as d phi. Okay. So the time taken for one revolution is given by 60 divided by n, that is in seconds. So that I'll denote it as dt. Okay. The average EMF induced in a one conductor is given by d phi by dt. Okay. So you know d phi means it's a p phi and dt means it's a 60 by n. So 60 by n from the denominator, n can be taken it as a numerator. So that's why it becomes 5pn divided by 60. That's in terms of volts. Okay. So the average EMF induced per phase is given by 5pn divided by 60 into Z. So based on the synchronous speed, okay, so n can be written it as 120 F by P. Put this equation n value in the equation, that is 5p z divided by 60 into, instead of n you can write it as 120 F by P. So when you simplify this equation, so we'll get 2 phi F into Z. That's in terms of volts. Okay. So we know that for sinusoidal wave, E RMS divided by E average, the value will be 1.11. So multiply this value with the EMF equation. That is RMS value of the EMF induced per phase is given by 1.11 into 2 into F phi into Z. So that is nothing but 2.22 F phi into Z. That in terms of volts. So the EMF equation on alternator is EPH is equal to 2.22 F phi into Z. So Z is nothing but it's a 2T. Okay. So when you put in this equation, it becomes 4.44 F phi into T. That is in terms of volts. Okay. So here just a simple modification with respect to pitch factor and distribution factor. Okay. So in this, the EMF is derived assuming that the stator winding is full and the EMF is induced in the various conductors are equal to the magnitude and thus any phase difference. It is also assumed that all the conductors per pole are concentrated in a single slot, but in practice the coils are short pitched. The conductors are uniformly distributed in all the slots of the stator. Due to these two factors of the EMF in the alternator gets reduced by small quantity. So the equation for the EMF modified as EPH is equal to 2.22, that is Kp Kd F phi Z in terms of volts. So here I said that Kp is nothing but a pitch factor and Kd is nothing but a distribution factor. Thank you.